Hi, Brian Bachman with MarineMax Clearwater. Today with a video walkthrough of the 2020 Sea Ray 21 SPX Outboard. You'll see this boat has the black hull sides with the stone interior, new color for this year. It's been an absolute hit. Very nice light color. Very modern looking. Boat's powered by a 150 horse, 4-stroke Mercury Outboard. Very smooth and quiet operation. Nicely laid out sun lounger in the back. Does have a flip up backrest, so if you have a day at the beach, be able to lounge, watch everybody swimming in the water. Water sports tow post. Very wide open cockpit for access and seating. Removable igloo cooler on the starboard side, and under the back seat we have an integrated cooler as well. In-floor storage under the seats. Twin captain's chairs with flip-up bolsters. Up to the passenger side dash, we do have storage above and below for all your items. Very nicely laid out helm, full array of analog gauges, fusion stereo and speakers. And last but not least, a very spacious and well laid out bow seating area with bolsters for forward or aft facing seating. If you'd like more information about this boat or any others, please feel free to give me a call. This is Brian Bachman at MarineMax Clearwater. You can be reached at 813-503-2649. So give us a call, come on down and see this boat or any others that we have in stock in person, or set up a demo. Get on the water today. Thanks, hope to see you soon.